Okay, we are at 321 people who are watching us. So let's go, guys. Let's go and let's look at the market and see what's going on. Hey, Elia, thank you so much. So before I analyze, guys, let me give you a small recap. So this is, I'm showing you yesterday's TikTok live. You can see live August 10th, 2025. Let's see what I said yesterday, okay? When Bitcoin was moving up. So let's see. So look at this move, guys. Such a nice candle. But my only concern is, in the past, whenever we saw a pump on Sunday, we saw a dump on Monday. Sunday pumps, Monday dumps. Sunday pumps, Monday dumps. Keep that in mind. Even though market is super bullish right now, weekly candle is super bullish. This is Bitcoin, by the way. Is super bullish, but you may see tomorrow a small pullback, okay, before you see a continuation. Okay, now watch this chart, okay? You saw that chart, small pullback, and then continuation. Look at Bitcoin, guys. What did I say yesterday? A small pullback, and then continuation. This is exactly I said yesterday, last night. You can go watch that TikTok live recording I have posted today on TikTok as well. So you can go check that. So like I said, guys, this is what I was expecting, and this is exactly what's happening right now. A small pullback, and then sideways move, and then a continuation. So this is what I'm expecting from Bitcoin, okay? So there's a reason why market is pulling back, because of this news which is coming tomorrow. Core inflation rate, CPI. So inflation data will be released tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. New York time. That's when we're gonna see inflation data. If the data is as per forecast or below the forecast, that is super bullish for the crypto market. But if it goes above the forecast, then it might be a little bit problem for the market for a little bit, for short term. But long term, we are bullish. So if we see core inflation rate year over year at 3% or below 3, that will be bullish for the market. If we see inflation rate month over month 0.2 or lower, that is gonna pump this market up. So this is a normal pullback. You just watched the video. I was expecting this pullback. I told you last night that on Monday, we are gonna see a small dump, and that is exactly what's happening right now. And now from tomorrow, I expect a continuation of this move, okay? Now let me, this is Bitcoin, by the way, 4-hour chart. Okay, now I almost forgot to do that. So disclaimer, guys, I always give this disclaimer. Whatever I say during this TikTok live and whatever charts I'm sharing on my computer, this is not a financial advice. This is only for your educational purposes. I want you to learn how to analyze these markets. That's why I'm sharing these analysis. Please don't take any trades based on my technical analysis. Okay, and then guys, another important thing, just 1 second. This is my TikTok account ID, Crypto King #1, MN. MN stands for million. So Crypto King 1 million is my TikTok ID. I have an Instagram account with same ID as well. So I have a same ID on Instagram and only one ID on TikTok. All other IDs who are using my profile pictures and my content are fake IDs. Please avoid them. And this is my YouTube channel, guys. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. The Crypto King Show. You can go search for the Crypto King Show and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I always share my TikTok live recordings on YouTube. Anyways, so this is what I'm expecting, guys. I showed you what I told yesterday during my TikTok live, that I expect a downward move, then sideways move, and then an upward move. Okay, tomorrow I expect an upward move. Let's see what happens tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow and check. Okay, now let me go on Ethereum. This is your Ethereum. Look how strong Ethereum is. It moved up from this level, from 3,345, and it is holding this level while BTC is coming down, but Ethereum is holding it so well. And let me give you a very, very good news about Ethereum. If anyone is holding Ethereum, guys, not a financial advice, but look at this channel. You see this red line up there? That's a strong resistance level, 4331. You can ask my Discord members. I told them there is a big resistance. Exact level I told them 4331. Okay, not 4300, not 430, 4331. And look, the candles, 4-hour candle, never closed above my level. It touched my level and closed below my level once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5 times. So when I give a target or a level, there's a big reason behind that level, and you can see that. Okay, now this is the support area. So this is a channel right now. Ethereum is moving in this channel. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down, and we may see a breakout tomorrow onwards. So the biggest bullish, good news is we have this bull flag on Ethereum. So let me change the color of this pole so you guys can see it clearly. So this is the pole, okay, and this is the flag. So this is the pole and this is your flag. So this is called bull flag. Okay, now if we see a breakout tomorrow or day after tomorrow in Ethereum, it's gonna shoot up like crazy, guys. And you know what is the target? $4,950. 4950. That's the next move Ethereum can make. And just imagine if Ethereum makes this move, where your altcoins are gonna go. So I'm telling you, it's not time to get bored or get depressed or get sad with this price action. It's time to get excited. We all know, our group members in my Discord group, they know that you would see this kind of price action. This is a normal price action. The market will never go straight up, okay? It will always go in steps. This was a big move. We saw initial move here, a break, big move, a break, and another third move will be coming. So I'm telling you, if we see a breakout of 4331, 4,331, if I see 2 4-hour candles closing above this level, guys, then you guys are gonna get amazed. Okay, so remember this level, 4331. After this, we'll see. Now, depending on the news tomorrow, okay? Depending on this news. If the news is good for crypto, we're gonna move up. If this news is bad for crypto, if there is a bad news, we may see a small pullback, okay? Depending on that news. But overall trend is bullish. Even if it comes down, it is still gonna move up, because we are in a bull run right now, a very strong bull run. So doesn't matter if we get a bad news tomorrow, there will be a small pullback, small panic in the market, but then after one day, they're gonna forget about that news, and then this move is gonna continue. Similar, but if we get a good news tomorrow, guys, if we get a good news related to CPI, you're gonna see a big breakout here. Okay, so get ready for that. Get excited. Okay, tomorrow, if you're asking about the news, tomorrow is this news coming at 8:30 a.m. New York time. CPI data, core inflation data. Okay. If the inflation rate is coming down or if inflation rate is staying where it is, that's a good news. If inflation is moving up, that means Fed may take some more time to reduce interest rates. If inflation is staying where it is, or if it is coming down a little, that's a big news, because based on that, Federal Reserve is definitely gonna reduce interest rates. So tomorrow is a very important day, and you're gonna see some crazy price action tomorrow. Okay, get ready for that. I gave you both scenarios. There are more chances of upward move than a downward move, but depending on the news. But that will be a short-term move if it comes down. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, now let's go and check BTC dominance. So this is BTC dominance, guys. If you remember, we were waiting for this bear flag to break towards the downside, and we saw that, we experienced that. So now it may come back and retest this level, guys. That is normal. But if you look at my fractal, which I put before this move, so this is what I was expecting, okay? And exactly it came down, and then I was looking for a pullback. This is a little bit more extended pullback than what I was expecting. But I believe if tomorrow's news is a good news, BTC dominance is gonna fall down, because your Ethereum is gonna shoot up and BTC dominance is gonna fall down, and your altcoins are gonna shoot up as well. But if there is a bad news tomorrow, then expect BTC dominance to go back and retest this level, a breakout point, stay there for 1 or 2 days, and then continue that downward move. Either way, I see BTC dominance coming down, okay? That's for sure. Now, what else should I tell you? Right now, it's waiting game. Yeah, one more thing related to Bitcoin, guys. If you look at this chart, 4-hour chart, if you wonder if this is the bottom of this downward move, so just place a trend line here from bottom till up, and you can see this is the trend line on 4-hour, and Bitcoin is respecting this trend line. So it looks like this is the bottom of this move, this short-term move, and we may see a reversal from here. So this is what I expect now, that after 4 or 8 hours, you may see Bitcoin start moving up. Okay, so that's my opinion on Bitcoin. That's my opinion on Ethereum, and that's my opinion on BTC dominance. There's no major change, guys. Overall trend is bullish. Long-term trends are bullish, and this is a small break or pause in the market. Tomorrow onwards, we may see the continuation of this bull trend. Thank you, Shana. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So today, I'm not gonna go over each and every chart, guys, because there's no need to do that. If you wanna know if your altcoin or meme coin is gonna move up or not, you will have to wait till tomorrow morning, 8:30. If Ethereum is moving up, all of your altcoins will be shooting up with Ethereum. Thank you, ZZY. And if Ethereum is moving down for short term, your altcoins will also come down. Nothing to worry, guys. Not a financial advice, but I wouldn't worry even 1%, because I know in the long term where this market is moving towards, and we're gonna see some really nice moves in this market. So that's all I wanted to share with you tonight. I don't have to share any other technical analysis, guys. This is the main thing you need to keep in mind. Now you have to wait till tomorrow morning, okay? Just enjoy, watch a movie or do something with your family, play some board games with your family tonight, and wait till tomorrow morning. There's no need of going over each and every chart and wasting time right now, because right now the short-term trend is sideways, and everyone is waiting for tomorrow's news event. So if you have any other question, a general kind of questions related to the overall market or any cryptocurrency, I will answer those questions. Otherwise, I'm not gonna go over each and every cryptocurrency right now. Top Gun 2. Yeah, suggest some good movies, guys. Go watch The Wolf of Wall Street. If you're interested in trading and making money, watch that movie, The Wolf of Wall Street. I'm sure most of you have already watched that movie. Or there's another movie called The Big Short. The Big Short. Short. The Big Short. So try to watch that as well. John Wick. Yeah. Where can you find the news tomorrow? On Bloomberg. Subscribe to Bloomberg or CNBC, any business news channel. You can get to know. Or you can go on your tradingview.com, create your free account on TradingView. You see this map, this flag down there, US flag. Just click on this and it will show you the news results. So just click on this new US flag. Tomorrow at 8:30 they will update these numbers. So you will see what is the exactly news which came. And if you want to be updated every hours with every news event, every move in the market, then go in my profile, click on that website link. That is how you can join my Discord group. That is where you get all the information, every day, 24/7. If there is any major information, I share there in my group. So become a part of my group, my community, and you will get a lot of information. That's the best place you should be, especially at this moment of this market. Erica, how are you? Thanks for joining. So this is the situation, guys. Nothing to worry. I was expecting this downward move on Monday, and then I showed you that clip from my yesterday's TikTok live. You can even go watch that TikTok live recording. I posted on TikTok as well. Go in my profile, you will find it. First video. And tomorrow I expect Bitcoin to move up. Let's see. If tomorrow it goes up, how many days it will stay up? That information, Sukhbir, is only for my Discord members. I always give them a heads up, like for how many days I see this market moving up, and at what level BTC will be hitting in how many days. All that information is only for my Discord members. I don't share that on TikTok. So if you're interested, join my Discord group, okay? Hey, SW, good evening. How are you? Thank you. Thank you. You can join through my profile. There's a website link in my profile. Go on that website and join. Through that website, you can join my Discord group. BTC next target is 125K, maybe, AJ. Maybe $500,000, maybe $1 million, maybe $1.2 million. You never know. You never know. No, my dear, nothing is free in this world. Good things will cost you. If you want some exclusive good things in your life, they will cost you. Do you go to Gucci or Armani and ask them, is it free? Do you go to Mercedes or BMW and ask them, do you sell cars for free? So my dear, Quality stuff is not free, to answer your question. All the information is on that website. All that information is on that website. Exactly. Exactly. Any other questions, guys? Any other crypto related questions or any economy related questions or anything you want to ask, please go ahead. I'm here to answer your questions. I'm not going to analyze each and every coin tonight because I'm going to wait till tomorrow. And just a recap, guys, I was expecting this downward move today, and then I'm expecting tomorrow Bitcoin and Ethereum, all of your altcoins to move up. Hopefully, not a financial advice. I'm just saying based on my technical analysis. And as you can see, Bitcoin has this support line, and it respected that support line, and now it is just stopping here, going in sideways, and then we may see an upward move, maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. So we'll see, guys. Can you look for Trump coin? No, I'm not gonna analyze any coins tonight. I'm just giving you generic kind of information, which is, I think this information is enough for tonight. There's no movement in the market till tomorrow's news event. It's a big news event at 8:30 a.m. for that's the inflation number, which is coming up tomorrow, core CPI. Based on that, this market is gonna take its next direction. If you ask me odds of Bitcoin to move up, I believe there's 80% chance that this is gonna move up. Okay, these are odds. 80% chance that it's gonna move up, but we'll see tomorrow. We will see tomorrow. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice. I could be wrong, so please do not take any financial decisions based on my analysis or what I say during this TikTok live. I'm just here to educate you, to give you some information as per my knowledge. I could be wrong too. So this is what I'm expecting, guys, tomorrow. Do you analyze stocks? Not right now, but next year I'm gonna start that. Right now I'm fully involved in crypto analysis. $7 to $9 trillion overall market cap, maybe, but I think maybe not this year. Let's see. I have a number for total market cap to reach. Again, guys, those detailed analysis are only for my Discord members. We do Zoom calls every week. We do a Zoom call in our Discord group. Plus, if I see a need for any emergency Zoom call, I do that during the week. I'm always available in our chat group to answer any of your questions. I do analysis on each and every crypto, which is at least 3 to 4 years old. I show you my exit levels on each and every crypto. I show you my buy levels on each and every crypto. But I'm a long-term investor. I'm not a short-term trader. I'm not a day trader. I don't use leverage. I trade with zero leverage. Okay, I'm an investor. I'm not a trader. So do not come join my group if you're looking for signals, daily signals. I don't do that. Why CRO has positive return today when the other market is negative? So these coins will take their turns, guys. Out of nowhere, you're gonna see one of these coins are shooting up like crazy. Thank you, South. Since we are in a last leg of this bull run, you're gonna see multiple coins taking random turns. Randomly, some coins will be moving up. So this is a normal routine during any bull run, especially the last phase of any bull run. So we are entering into a very exciting time of this market, guys. Next few months are going to amaze you. Next few months are gonna make you super duper happy. And the funny thing is, okay, let me tell you a fact. I'm telling you a fact, okay? No exaggeration, fact. We were sitting here, okay? Bitcoin was sitting here, right here, back in August, okay? Not long back, in August. On 8th of August, Bitcoin was sitting at $74,500, okay? Here, me and my Discord group members were buying Bitcoin. We were doing DCA in Bitcoin. We were doing DCA in altcoins. And I told my Discord members that you will be amazed to see that this is the opportunity to invest, but people are scared, especially retail traders. They will never come and invest. No, this is not April. This is April. Yeah, April. Sorry. So in April, Bitcoin was sitting at 74,500, and I told my Discord members, most retail traders, new traders, will come when Bitcoin will go above $100,000. And that is exactly what happened, guys. We went up from here, and when we went above $100,000 per Bitcoin, a lot of people joined our Discord group. When we went above $100,000 per Bitcoin, a lot of people joined our Discord group. Whereas this was the time. Again, we went up, and then we went in sideways during that Iran and Israel war, and market came down to $98,000. And I told my Discord members again that this is the time to buy, and everyone is scared. Now they are gonna come join my Discord group when Bitcoin will be sitting above $120,000. And that is exactly what happened. When Bitcoin went above $120,000, a lot of people came and joined my Discord group. So this is a human psychology. This is retail traders' psychology. They get FOMO, fear of missing out, when the market is already moving up. Whereas investors go and buy when everyone is scared. This is where most of my Discord members were buying, doing DCA at this level. Whereas retail traders are coming in now and buying. They will still make money, but their returns will be less than what these people will be making who were buying from here, or who were buying from here when BTC was at $50,000. People had same fear during Iran and Israel tension back at this time when BTC went down to $49,000 from $69,000. That was last year. And everyone was scared. I was buying a lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, other coins, doing DC at this level. Everyone was scared. And then in November last year, on the election day, once results started coming, market pumped up like anything. It went up, shot up. So again, guys, you will be able to make money because there is still room for this market to move up, but you will not be able to make that much money which those people will be making who were in this market early. When everyone was scared, they were buying. Another important thing, guys, at some point, Bitcoin and your other coins, they're gonna top out, okay? This market may be here, maybe up there, maybe above. Somewhere it's gonna top out. And we have only a couple of months left in this bull run. That would be the time to exit. That's why I've set an exit plan in my Discord group for each and every member of my Discord group. We have an exit plan, and we're gonna exit when we see the top. Most retail traders, thank you, Samir, most retail traders will get greedy. They will think that this market will never come down, it will keep moving up, and boom, suddenly you're gonna see a big dip in the market. So it is very important, guys, before that dip, thank you, SW, thank you. It is very important to exit this market when you see top indicators that market is topping out. You need to exit this market and wait for a big drop to buy again, because this always happens. Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, they move in 4 years cycle. So right now we are in the 4th year, and this is the last phase of this cycle. At some point it's going to top out, and then we're going to go in a bear market for 1 year or maybe more than 1 year. So I don't want to get stuck in that bear market. That's why it is very important to have an exit plan. That is what I'm trying to help with my Discord members. I'm trying to help them with exit plan, because I don't want anyone to get stuck in this market when that dip will come, when market will go in a bear cycle. And trust me, market will go in a bear cycle. That's how this cryptocurrency blockchain is designed. Okay. So it is very important, guys. Find a mentor if you want. If you like what I do, then join my Discord group, or go join someone else's Discord group who is a good analyst, and ask them to give you an exit plan. That is very important. Anyways, so again, guys, let me give you the brief that tomorrow we have this big news, CPI data, coming at 8:30 a.m. New York time. That is when market is going to go crazy. If the news is good, we're going to see a pump in the market. If the news is bad, we're going to see a short-term move down. You see this this red line, guys? This was the resistance line. Bitcoin broke this resistance. So if the news is bad, we may see retest of this resistance, because it broke this resistance. It may come back, retest, stay here for 1 or 2 days, and then continue moving up. Okay. But in any way, if news is good or bad, the overall trend is bullish. Overall trend is bullish. Okay, guys. Hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you, what I'm trying to show you. Hope this makes sense. And I showed you this move. You wanna yesterday when I was live, we were here. Okay, we were here. Let me play that video one more time. Let me play that video. So this is last night, guys, when I was live. Okay, listen to this again. We were here at this point when I was live. So listen to this video. Again, it's not playing. Let me play it again. Okay. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. So look at this move, guys. Such a nice candle. But my only concern is, in the past, whenever we saw a pump on Sunday, we saw a dump on Monday. Sunday pumps, Monday dumps. So keep that in mind. Even though market is super bullish right now, weekly candle is super bullish, daily candle is super bullish, but you may see tomorrow a small pullback, okay, before you see a continuation. So that is what you saw, right? We were here when I was live. We saw a pullback. That is what I told you last night. And then an upward move. So let's see. My one projection is right. Samir, thank you so much. My one projection is right, that it came down. My next projection is that it's going to keep moving up. So let's see if tomorrow we see this move up or not. Okay. So this is how technical analysis works, guys. But this is not only technical analysis. There is a lot of other stuff which I consider before making any projections. It's not based on only technical analysis. There are fundamental analysis. There's blockchain analysis. There is so many factors. So hopefully tomorrow we will see that trend to continue. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Then I will take your leave because there's nothing to discuss other than this. It's a waiting game till tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. That's when we're gonna see the decision on numbers to be released for CPI, core inflation. So if you need in detail analysis, long-term exit, buy, all those levels, if you want me to show those levels, guys, join my Discord group. Go in my profile, click on my profile picture, go in my profile, and from there, from my profile picture, you will go in my profile. There's a website, launchpass.com. Through that, you can join my Discord group. Okay, it has all the information. So you don't need to ask any questions about my Discord group in comments. Just click on that link. It will give you all the information about it. I think that's all, guys. That's all. I just wanted to come live and give you the reassurance that there's nothing to worry. The market is bullish. Long term, it is bullish. Medium term, it is bullish. Tomorrow morning, we'll see if we get a good news. Market will shoot up. Okay, guys. Take care. Have a nice evening. Spend some time with your family. Go watch a movie. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.